Guys, Stony Birdman here. It's 9:36 in the morning right now. Wait, no, in PM, sorry. So, today I'm just going to do the randomest thing. I'm going to make some weird or not human-like sounds. I've done this at school, I've done this a long time, and people always laugh at it. Well, if you guys don't probably think it's funny, leave a comment on this video if it's funny or not funny. And drop a like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications and smash that like button. Let's start.
I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, 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 walk.
We're going on it in our favorite rocket, going through the
Little white star. Yay, yay.
And that was all the sounds I could try to make. But look at this dude. Oh, look at the top of his head. Look at his lips. Look at his nose.
Look at his eye.
So this was the randomest video I can do. I made a try not to laugh, sorta. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna make a video sooner. Thank you everybody that watches my videos. Goodbye. Peace out, home dogs.